What's going on, guys? Holes Earth Productions here. So this is going to be a cash jam video. So I don't know if you guys have played Mad Skills this week, but for some weird reason there's 4 cash jams this week. So 2 of the cash jams are the tracks from last week, and 2 of the cash jams are the tracks this week. So I'm hoping Turbarilla don't reset the tracks from last week. If they do that, I will get my money back. So there's no harm in trying. There's no harm in playing it for a video. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully, I don't use too much money. But yeah. So we're going to play the first track right now. So all right, let's give it a crack. Hopefully, I don't use too much money because. And by the way, I've only got $40 in my cash jam account at the moment because yeah, I took the rest of it out. So. Hopefully I don't need any more than that. Oh shit, I'm already nervous, guys. This is not good. Alright, first 20 cents gone. Here we go. I played this like 5 minutes ago, I think, and this line here, I did get that line there, and then when I landed down that crazy jump, I didn't slow down enough, and then I actually like overjumped the next section. So I was right next to the world record, Parker 709. I was right next to him, and yeah, just messed it up really badly. If you don't know what line I mean like this one here, like landing down that bit there. Shit, I cased that. This is not good at all. Come on, breathe. So yeah, these guys aren't even like I don't know, they'll probably be like 30th and stuff like that. These are not the top guys, so. Oh shit, I did not mean to do that. Actually, I'm just going to go back and I'll tell you guys what placings everyone is, because I'm pretty sure you can't see it on the screen recorder for some stupid reason, so I'll quickly show you guys that. So we'll tell you guys that. So in third place, we've got Marco221 with a 39.782. Second place, BNV Mod with a 39.544. And then YG NR502 in first place with a 39.489. Yeah, so my best here on the normal jam is a 39.356 without hitting that crazy line. So yeah, I don't really know what's going to happen. It's going to be tough to beat the YG guy. I kind of wish you could actually. I'll go back. I'll quickly show you guys the top 3 time. Alright, so this is the 3 guys I just read out then. So this just gives you an idea of what kind of run they've got. So yeah, I think the first guy's got a pretty decent run. But we'll see. So they're all pretty close at the moment. Number 7 does a little bit of a scrub there. I don't know if they get this scrub here. So number 7 gets that scrub there. And it's worth so much more time. Look at that. Oh, here comes the other one. Oh, look at that. So yeah, number 7 was in front, and then the other guy overtook him. So that's the top 3 guys there. That's their run. So yeah, let's get straight back into it and see if I can get a better one. Man, I really hope I don't use too much money though, because I've only got $40, and yeah, there's 4 cash jams this week, so I want to be careful. I think the best option is to go for this big line, because if I do get it, I'd be automatically in first. But it's very risky. It's not easy at all. But I'm going to go for it. Oh, come on. Whew. Used a bit of money now, guys. It's ticking away. Shit, I think that's a bit too far. Oh, might be alright. Nah, we cased it. Damn it. The thing that really annoys me though is that there's like, you don't get to verse the first, second, third person like straight up, which is just stupid. Obviously that's where they make their money on Cash Jam, but still. Should be an option to at least verse the top guys. Alright, I'm just going to keep going on this run. So it doesn't look too bad of a run really, but we'll see. We'll see what it is. Probably like, I'm hoping it's top 20 at least. But my start then was pretty terrible, so I don't know. It's probably going to be like a 39.9 or something. Nah, so it was a 40.311. So that puts me in 15th place. It's not too bad. So far I've used, I believe I've used about $2, I think it says. Alright, let's keep going. This is making me nervous, guys. So yeah, these guys are faster guys than what I just versed, so hopefully I can beat these guys by a little bit. I don't know if it's really the right decision to go for this one, this big line here though, but it will be once I pull it off, but I don't reckon I'll pull it off, that's the thing, so I might be just wasting money, but I don't know. Alright, so this is going to be another improvement. Betting by 11 meters, so hoping that's like 39.7 at least or something. Alright, that puts me in 4th place. That's a 39.826. So nah, I'm still going for it because I still got to get that top spot. Man, come on. At least now I've got like the top guys to verse, so here we go. That was good. Oh, I just missed it. But there's number 7 that I showed you guys before, so see if we can get a bit closer to him. Oh, we missed that scrub. That sucks. Might be able to get 3rd place, maybe. Oh, we cased it. No way. Still 4th place. So, we've got a 39.826. Alright, come on. Oh, and I should have mentioned, this Cash Jam is in Platinum, by the way, so it's the second highest league. But man, it'd make my day if I could get this line in Cash Jam, because there's no way that anyone else is going to risk that line, I don't think. So, yeah, I'm just going for that line, so I'm just hoping I can do something crazy. One thing's for sure, that if I do get that line, you guys got to absolutely smash the crap out of that like button, because, man, that is just such a hard line to get, and trying it in Cash Jam, it's just crazy. So hopefully I can get it. I don't know though. if I can't, hopefully I can still get first at least. Alright, that was a decent start, not too bad. Well, just case that a bit. Keep going though, because we could have a bit, we could have a good section up here, so just keep going just in case. See if we can get third at least. Nah, we messed it up again. Shit, this is not good. Ooh, come on, I'm starting to get nervous now. Come on. Alright, that was pretty good. I'm in first at the moment, but didn't get that good line. Should have let off a bit earlier then, but it's alright, we're still in second. Man, this is going to be a tough time to get. I got third, so that's good, but man, I just want that first place. Them guys actually get the last section pretty solid, so I really got to have a little bit of a lead on them. If I'm not going to get the last section solid, I really need a bit of a lead on them before that. So you guys can't see this, but I just got a 39.685, and that's third. So yeah, we're going to keep going. I've used more money than I want to, but judging by that amount of money I got left there, I've used about $5. So yeah, I really don't want to use any more than 10. So yeah, got to really make the most of these runs now. There we go, that was a nice start. See if we can make the most of this. Man, we keep casing that, that's not good. It helps there if you get that scrub really nice though. That's the only time I've really gotten it nice, so really got to focus on that, I think. Been getting this first section pretty decent. Don't know how I've been casing this bit here, but it's been happening. Did it again, come on. I should let you guys know also that I think there's about 4 hours of cash jam left, so depending if anyone overtakes me or something, I'll definitely keep you guys updated and play it again, but hopefully no one does. Ooh, that money's just ticking away, guys. Really got to be careful. Oh, let off way too soon there, but it wasn't too bad. Man, look at that. I'm so close to these guys. I just can't get that any right. Come on, you can't keep casing that. Oh shit, there goes the glitch thing. Jeez, look at that bike. What the hell's it doing? Oh no, guys, this is not what I wanted. This is... I'm so nervous. Alright, we're going to keep going with this run. I'm pretty close to him, so we'll see what we can do. I'm going to try and get a scrub here or something. Maybe scrub this next bit. No, that didn't work at all. There we go, got the scrub really nicely there. Look at that, we're still behind. This is really tough. Man, I really want to know why I keep casing that bit back there. It's really annoying me. Because as soon as you case that bit there, it just ruins your whole run. There goes that money. I've probably used about $10 now, I think, so really got to make the most of this. There we go, that was better. Oh, it's not going to be enough. Damn it. Oh, I cased it. No way. This is what Cash Jam does. I can't even get this scrub here perfect. Alright, there we go. Let off perfect there. So here we go. We're in with a chance. Oh my god, we messed it up again. Jesus, what am I doing? Jeez, this is a really hard time to get. This is not good at all. Hoping I can do something crazy in a minute though, because really hoping this is going to be another replay of my Cash Jam video I did ages ago. That I spent like $15 on and I was getting nowhere near the leader. And then I just managed to pull off this crazy line and just won it at the end, so I'm hoping this one's going to be something like that, but I can only hope. So far, this is a good lead. Come on. No, back to second. Shit. Oh my god, no. Come on, just get second at least. Jesus, what am I doing? Shit, I really don't want to go back and look. It's going to take me back and look, but man, I bet you I've used about $15. Oh no. Yep, I've used $12 so far, so geez, I really got to be careful here. But that's it, guys. Unless I use like $25, I'm not going to stop until I get the win, so I'm going to keep going. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. Sorry if it's a bit boring, but I don't know, I'm playing pretty terrible. Oh, there we go. Oh shit, that was awesome. This is a nice lead. No way, you can't do that to me. Damn it. Jeez, I'm just about to give up, guys. Man, come on. You could have made me get that big line at least. Yeah, because I actually tried to slow down a bit then because I was like, it didn't look like I was going to get that big line at all, and I had like a fair bit of a lead on the first guys, so I thought, yeah, if I slow down here, I won't overjump this, but yeah, somehow I did overjump it. Couldn't do anything. Here we go, guys. This could be the big line. Come on, please, please. No! God damn it. Oh my god. What am I doing? Shit, what am I doing? At least I've got this nose wheel under a bit more control now, so. Oh, come on, I'm just getting that boost and then it's just not giving me anything. I'm just over jumping it and... God, come on, it's got to be close. Come on. Oh, come on, man. Man, I can't believe I got that close. Come on. Look at that. Anytime I don't want to get that scrub, I get it. And then look at that. Case that again. Shit. Kind of hope my battery doesn't go flat soon, because when I have it on record, it chews the battery heap, so hopefully it doesn't go flat. I really hope so. I really hope it doesn't. Man, look at this. He's like half a bike length in front of me and I still can't beat him. Man, come on. Well, I've already used way too much money than I wanted, so this is where you got to kind of figure out if you want to keep going and lose heaps more money, or if you're getting close like I am, you just got to go for it, because you won't win your money back if you stay in like third and then give up. So I'm not going to give up. I'm just going to keep going. I'm really hoping I get that first spot just to make all this worth it. Oh, come on, I don't want to do that. Alright, so it's not too bad there. We're in second, I think. I think we just cased that. That's not good. Almost got that scrub. And there goes the brightness, so the battery must be going a little bit flat. It's not good. Alright, there we go. Nice start. Come on. This is it. Oh, I cased it again. No way. Come on. We used way too much, like, way more money than I wanted to now, so I've really just got to get that first spot. I've got to do something. I didn't really expect it to be this hard, but man, it is. It really is. It's just the fact that these guys get the last section like perfect. It's just my nerves. I can't really. Yeah, I just can't seem to get that last section good. I can always get it good when I'm behind, but never when I'm in front. Alright, I didn't get nose wheelie, but come on. This could be good. Oh no, guys, this is not good at all. Jesus, it's coming up to the point where I really got to figure out if I want to keep wasting money or settle for third, because this is not good. There we go. There's a nice start. Come on, make the most of this. Nice scrub. I messed it up though, of course. Oh man, that was so close to hitting that fast line then. That was really close. That's like the angle your nose wheel's got to be at. Like, it's really got to be close. I mean, it's really got to be up there high. Here we go, guys. This could be it. Come on, come on. Oh, stretch out, stretch out. Oh, my God. What am I doing? Shit. Quickly check my battery. So we've still got 50%. That's all right. Shit. I just hate to think how much money I've used. This is not good. So for the video, guys. So please, if you are enjoying this, smash that like button. Starting to wonder though if going for first place was a bad idea, because man, I'm starting to lose so much. Come this far though, I can't just give up now. There we go, another nice start. Alright, so we're in front, just. Oh my god, are you serious? Oh, that was the closest I've gotten yet. Still in third spot. No way. Look at that, we've used exactly $20. Oh my god, that's... Honestly, like, first place gets $63 and third place gets $31, so there's a $30 difference, so come on, like... just really don't know if it's worth it, but... I don't know, guys, what should I do? Alright, I'm gonna keep going. Man, this is really, really, really harder than I thought. I just can't believe how, like, perfect they get the last section. I kind of wish they got this first section good, and then, yeah, kind of got the... Man, what am I doing? So basically, if I get first, I kind of win the money back that I've used now. But if I don't, if I stay in third, I'm gonna, like, yeah, lose a fair bit of money. So alright, so that's not too bad. We just got to get this bit here right. If I can scrub this, kind of wasn't too bad actually. Come on, are you joking? That was the closest I've gotten yet. I've just blew it again. Nah, that's it. That's it, guys, I'm going for it. Oh, no, didn't get it. Oh, but that wasn't too bad if I can keep this going. Alright, guys, this is all up to this run here. Shit. Shit, don't mess this shit up. Shit, I messed it up. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Oh, my God, I just got it. Woo! Oh, shit, that was so hard, man. That was so hard. Oh, God, I thought I was going to mess that up. That's crazy. Oh, Jesus, that was insane. Hardest cash jam I've done yet, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please, please, please smash the shit out of that like button. And, yeah, share this around with your friends and stuff. And, please hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. So yeah, in the end, I ended up using, hang on, let's see. So actually, I got first, and I got a 39.417. Second place got a 39.489, and third place got a 39.544. So I'm really hoping that no one beats that. There's, like I said, there's like 4 hours left. So yeah, I really hope that no one beats that. I'll just quickly check how much I actually used. It should tell me here somewhere. So I used $23. So in the end, I didn't lose any money. I gained money. So yeah, thanks heaps for watching, guys, and hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next vid. Cheers.